New tonight, a federal judge orders a Nebraska pharmacist to pay the government back millions for Medicare fraud.
The U.S. Attorney's Office says Joan Kicken submitted fraudulent billing to Medicare and Medicaid to the tune of $3.4 million. A complaint filed last fall alleges Kicken owned and operated Campbell Drug in Oshkosh, Nebraska. According to the filing, Kicken allegedly enriched herself with the false billing, but that she also sought reimbursement from Medicaid for prescription drugs for valid prescriptions that were never issued. It was further alleged Kicken knew the billing methods were improper, but she continued to do so.
Now,